Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They do not typically attack humans, but will bite and possibly constrict if they feel threatened, or mistake a hand for food. A python may exhibit different biting strategies based on circumstance. These may include defensive bites and prey bites too.
Take our lead.
No, snakes such as ball pythons are wild animals and not domesticated. The process of domestication occurs over thousands of years. Because these animals are domesticated, with the right care and conditions, they are able to live with humans in captivity without suffering.
Take our lead.
I know of no incident where a ball python has killed or seriously injured a person. They can bite or strike, and though it really does not hurt that much, can bleed a lot at the bite site. There are no recorded incidents of a ball python killing a human of any age.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
They killed the python and found the whole body of the missing farmer inside. This was the first fully confirmed case of a person being eaten by a python. In June 2018, a 54-year-old Indonesian woman in Muna Island, southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia, was killed and eaten by a 23ft python.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.